Howdy y'all and welcome back. AR-15 mag loader. Thank you very much, Ankush, for sending these in. These were 3D printed by one of our very own Patreons here at the channel. And I am kind of intrigued. So, little anecdote, I'm actually kind of fond of thumb loading my AR mags because they take me back to my youth when I was a Joe in the Army and a private, and I got stuck with like mag loading duty all the time. And I really don't mind it that much. But innovation is cool, and 3D printing is cool, even though I don't even own a fucking computer. I will never get into 3D printing anything ever, but that's what we have people like Ankush for. So here we are. So let's take this over to the table and get a closer look. Alright, so in the interest of full disclosure, I did have to kind of bumble around with this for a second and kind of figure out exactly what's going on. And because it's brand new, you can sort of see the 3D printy kind of spooge, whatever, I don't know what they call it, slag or something like that. It's a little rough. I think it will break in over time. But the first step is to insert the magazine all the way in. And once that is achieved, I don't know, I got started just sliding them in like so. Forgive the noise you hear there in the background. We have a hurricane coming and everybody's out rushing to get their yards done before the rain hits. So this will be going on all day long. There was no point in trying to ride it out. All right, so we got a little sticky spot there. All right, and keep on trucking here. This would be a little easier if I didn't have a camera and tripod exactly where I need to be standing. Let me slide this down. So I don't have to lean over quite as much. Alright. And I haven't been counting, but let's just call that close enough. Alright, and so we insert that little dude right there, and I'm going to go ahead and hold my palm right there. Boom! It's like magic, except it's not. I should probably put this on a timer and see which one actually takes longer, because science and shit. So let's try this again.
Solo con la C, mi señor. Mala Marcelina, vamos a Nueva York. No te mandas sola con la C, tu señor. Colás, colás, colás y Nicolás. Lo mucho que te quiero y el papado que me da. Si quieres, si puedes, si no, ya lo verás. Qué bonito baila la mujer de Nicolás. Upa. Dibújala, mi chavo. Es tuya. Marcelina, mujer de Don Darío, que hace los tamales de carne de armadillo. A la Marcelina, mujer de Don Darío, de que hace los tamales de carne de armadillo.
Hey, so the science is in, and it's about the same as loading with your thumb, but certainly more entertaining, I think. And like I said, the innovation is cool. And thank you again to Ankush for sending these along. He sent 2, so I'm giving one away next week in my end of the month Patreon drawing. So if you're not already on board with the Patreon, get on down there, link in the description. I'm giving away cool stuff, gear and whole ass guns and all kinds of fun shit. So get on down, support the channel, do the thing, hit the like button and all that stuff. It all helps. And until next time, be easy, y'all.